For those of you who do not know about blockchain, I'll try to explain it in simple words. Blockchain technology is a public, decentralized record of transactions. It can be implemented in different ways, but at its core, it's a method by which every person involved holds a complete ledger of every transaction completed in the network, as blockchain makes it possible to easily verify transactions in a transparent way, while also ensuring that these transactions are verified by others within the network. From this, transparency is promoted. Fundamentally, blockchain technology verifies all of its interactions with peers, so it's a safe and secure method of completing valuable transactions. It's because of benefits like these that blockchain is considered as an ideal technology for the future of supply chain. Also, it finds a use in various other industries like healthcare, banking, voting, and I could go on. Retail chain Walmart is using blockchain to focus on food safety and tracking and traceability. It's already carrying out tests using this technology to track food products like mangoes from Mexico or pork from China. The system uses sensors to record temperature in a blockchain system, allowing Walmart to assure quality and food condition during transit. Unilever, Nestle, Dole are also using similar methods. Blockchain makes it much easier to track down problems. Last year it took 2 months for experts to trace the source of a salmonella breakout in Mexican papayas. Had a blockchain system been implemented at that time, it would reduce such a process to seconds. One of the most significant areas in which blockchain can create transformational change is the physical product supply chain. By putting assets first, blockchain can enable an efficient flow of data and funds from each stakeholder at each step of the chain. This can deliver fundamentally new ways of working and brings a visibility and control on each supply chain, which is simply not achievable in centralized configurations where data has to pass from one environment to the next. However, transformation is never straightforward, particularly so in the context of increasingly complex supply chains with multiple manufacturers, processors, and distributors along the way. It requires a collective engagement and industry-level initiatives to drive adoption and deliver benefits to the supply chain participants and end consumers. In 2022 and beyond, we are likely to see blockchain implementations in a variety of supply chain applications. Over some time, it's likely that blockchain technology will be integrated into the various other supply chain solutions across the globe.